Hello my love, this is our vlog. Welcome to Albertson and Ira's vlog, Iron in Canada. Today is July 3, entering July 4, and we are already, we have finished the immigration. Thank you to the immigration officers who are very kind. Napakadali lang for our future travelers. Ang hiningi lang sa amin is yung PIDOS namin from the CFO, Commission on Overseas Filipinos. So now we have finished the stressful cancellation of our flight. Originally, dapat kami ay 25-hour flight from Manila to Jeddah and Jeddah to Toronto. And now we are Anyong Korean Air. Saan tayo? Gate na tayo. Korean Air at 14 hours na lang ang flight. So after, kailangan naming update ang mga tao na kung ano yung schedule namin. We have finished our goodbyes and thank you very much to our family and, well, friends who assisted us along the way. It's okay, kaya ko naman. So we are now going down. Si Ira ang nag-check ng aming gate and we are already going. Hey. Oh, parang nawala na ang excitement dahil naghihintay na lang ang mga tao.